Hi, my name is Paul Giarratano. I'm a director here at Gartner within the event sales organization. My main goal or focus in my job is to provide superior customer experience and support to the companies that we work with, enabling them to get exactly what they are signing up for and what they are partnering with Gartner for, which is an access to an audience that is very hard to come by and very hard to get in front of. And that's the value that we provide, and that's the value that we strive to provide on a daily basis. What intrigued me about Gartner was obviously knowing the brand and the company from being local to the Stamford area, having multiple friends and people that I know who worked here, loved working here. It attracted me to this company and this job, and that's what brought me here 3.5 years ago, and it was a great move for my career. I manage a team of 6 people, so my day is really comprised of making sure that they have the tools that they need in order to do their job most effectively. Some days that's doing the back kind of work, administrative work, that helps them kind of clear some of the obstacles out of their way to enable them to go be better salespeople. Some days it's a lot of coaching, getting people to up to speed or with the right tool set so that they can do their job more effectively. And of course, there's a lot of meetings internally with people above me, with people below me. That it's constantly making sure that my team has the necessary tools in order to do their job most effectively. What gets me excited to come to work in the morning is knowing that the companies that I'm working with, we have a direct impact on their ability to accelerate their growth and drive business. Whether they're a startup just entering the enterprise market, or whether they're a fully established vendor looking to gain market share or establish themselves even more within a marketplace, I know the work that we do helps them achieve those goals.